Unplug. Every day, you hear the monotonous hum of your phone turning on, then get sucked into this world where you live through other people's lives. And you continue to walk on your own path while wishing you were in someone else's. Suddenly, your hair isn't as shiny as hers, your belly not as tight as his, and you spiral down into a hole of self-pity and eventual personal destruction. Your cup of coffee turns into a cropped photo, all in for the show. Because what else can you do? What needs to be done? We show how to live a life all at the same time losing it all for the gram. This facade you keep while slowly losing your grip, it's like an addiction, but far, far worse. We rush and run and go round and round, and we sometimes just forget to stop. Look around. Look at yourself. Do you still think you're you? You want to run that short marathon to nab the trophy that shines, not realizing the best marathon one has the longest miles. We see what we don't have and translate that as having less. We feel broke, we feel empty, we feel alone, and we feel depressed. And we find the need to quickly succeed, telling the world, I'm gonna be rich, you'll see. But silver and gold don't hug you when you sleep, and popularity don't count when you're 7 meters underneath. You are more than a deadline. You are squiggles of rights and wrongs and boundless possibilities, a seed that can grow into any tree. Cultivated not by the thoughts around you, but your thoughts about everything else. You see, you forget that you can be anything, because at times, you already see yourself as nothing, which puts a dot into a sentence that was never meant to end. Unplug. When you go outside, you can see that the trees don't compete with the bushes. Unplug. When you wake up, you don't even realize your body worked hard to keep you alive. Unplug. Drink your water, walk with your friends, and eat your greens. Unplug. Whether the sun rays hit your cheeks or the rain kisses your feet. Because you've been living way too fast and you don't know how to slow down. Unplug. All this time, you wonder why. Maybe, just maybe, that's all because you forgot to unplug.